other side they have these cool caves. We're gonna see if we can wander over. Little trail run. Got a sprint. We didn't find the caves. We ended up running a little bit longer than expected, and all we can see is Long Beach that way. We didn't find the caves, but we got to run all the way back up to the truck, and we got a ferry to catch, so we got to hustle out of here. See you on the next one.